Hello everyone, I'm here just to remind you guys that I have a Nokia complete course fully in English, right? So I know that I have a lot of subscribers on my YouTube channel that don't speak Portuguese, and a lot of my content about Nokia is in Portuguese. So for that reason, I recorded a fully Nokia complete course in English, right? So if you are interested to learn Nokia OLT with me, please check it out on the link below of this video. It's more than 17 hours of content, so there's a lot of subjects there and a lot of things that I try to teach you guys. And also we have our own community, we have a Telegram group, so you guys can have direct contact with me. And also all the files is included, okay? All the files are included, so everything that I show along of the course, all the files, you guys will have access. All right, so if you are interested, please check it out on the link below, and I hope to see you guys in your community. If you guys have any question or anything at all, please let me know. All right, I hope to see you guys in the course. Have a good one. Bye.